And one of the things that fascinated me as someone from England was that the company grew in part out of British Telecom, of all things.
Adam, if I'm allowed to make allowed to take some liberties, when I joined in 2005 beginning, the company was 5,000 people and $100 million. And then Chairman CEO of British Telecom told me that they need to exit because they will make more money outside. And the reality is Mahindra British Telecom became Tech Mahindra, and Tech Mahindra has continued to grow. And I personally say, when I look back, I wish BT had stayed back. They would have had a good ride.
Well, you're bigger than BT now.
Sometimes, yes. Some days, yes.
And you're also in 40 countries, I think, in partnership with Huawei.
Not so much as a partnership. The way we work is that with telco majors, telco equipment manufacturers, because of the Mahindra British Telecom legacy, 42% of my business comes from telco operators, and the balance 58 comes from enterprises. So 42% of my business, when I look at telecom equipment manufacturers, they're Cisco, they're Juniper, they are Nokia, Ericsson, and Huawei. Huawei happens to be very strong in the African countries, and hence we work with Huawei, but mainly in African countries. And the number of countries does become 40 very soon.